welcome back to Live and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 2nd to the 6th of March 2026 on Monday. Joanne bangs a nail in Nkunzi's coffin as the trial heats up. Nkazimulo make himself comfortable in Nkunzi's absence, worrying Getcha in the process on Tuesday. Lily's prison world turns deadly when a feared inmate returns and exposes her as a cop. Sasha offers Lily her way out of the willing to betray everything she stands for. Meanwhile, Nkazimulo's cold ambition rises as Kwamashu reshape itself in Nkunzi's absence on Wednesday. The court is in session and Nkunzi seems to be winning. Sholipi overhears Getcha and Noktuda's conversation and Sbu is unsettled when the ESCO members speak ill of Lily on Thursday. Nkunzi's testimony could be the final blow to Nkunzi's face, but Nkunzi maintained to his lawyer that he will not die in prison. Just as Lily realizes her isolation, Sasha presents her with a stark choice: face a life sentence for her role in number 5 haste, or she or he sends her father to prison on Friday. Lily's desperate choice to help Sasha spiral into honor or horror as Nkunzi grows increasingly confident in court. Mondli and Matthew crumble when new witnesses before justice slip through the fingers, with Mbazo taking the fall for the stabbing of Lily. Power shift dangerous on both sides of the law. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.